All right, last one is number 73, and it's going to go back to some honors questions. This might be new for some of the people who are not in honors and didn't get exposure to Unit 7, the last couple sections of it. But it's using sine to figure out the area of scalene triangles. A scalene triangle being a triangle that doesn't have any special angles or no right angles or anything about it. Okay, so here's an angle. It doesn't have any sides that are congruent. It doesn't have any right angles or anything like that. Okay, but if I know that, let's say this angle here, right? I know angle A right here. This is side A, and then I have angle B, right, with the opposite side B, and then I have angle C with the opposite side C, right? I can figure out the area. Say the area of this triangle is going to be 1/2, right? 1/2 of the sine of A, the sine of angle A times the two line segments around A, so times B times C, right? So, or I'm just going to rewrite this as length of B and C times sine of A divided by 2. Okay, or I could be, I guess I'm gonna put this angle A on the outside here, angle A. Okay, or I should make this angle, this area, like black, I guess, black area. Okay, or I could say that the area equals, I could say the sine of C divided, or times B and A, times B and A divided by 2. Okay, and then so it's this sandwich between these two, this angle sandwich between these two lengths, and then it could be area equals the sine of B, and then you guessed it, C and A divided by 2. Okay, so that it has to be the angle times the sine of the angle times the two lengths sandwiching that angle, surrounding that angle, okay, in order to figure out the area. Okay, so here we have this triangle, or this quadrilateral, that you can break into a purple triangle and a pink triangle, and I rearrange the orientation of that into these right here. Okay, I really don't need to know this length here, right? But we'll call this, this is angle A, and then these two line segments opposite this one, right? So this triangle area, the area of this purple triangle is going to be equal to 16 feet times 48 feet times the sine of A, which is 134 divided by 2. Okay, and that might give us a negative value, but it's just still going to be the absolute value of that. Okay, that's going to be the area of that. Okay, and then we're going to have the area of the pink one over here. Let me get a pink pen. Oh, here it is. My pink pen, my area of my pink triangle is going to be equal to divided by, let's see, it's gonna be 44 feet times 70 feet and 78 degrees. 44 feet times 78 degrees, the sine of 78 degrees, divided by 2, divided by 2, divided by 2. All right, so let's, and then the total area is going to be these two added together. Okay, so let's do that. All right, so the pink triangle is going to be 44 times 70 times 78 sine equals, divided by 2. That's going to be 1506 equals 1506.3 feet squared. And then this area here is going to be 16 times 48 times 134 sine equals, divided by 2 equals, this equals 276.3 feet squared. So add these two together, my total area total equals these two added together, so 276.3 plus 1506.3 equals 1782.6 feet squared. That's a cubed. Feet squared. Okay, so that is that one in a nutshell, with all of the stuff on there. Let me make this a wee bit more legible so that you can see it all at once. Okay. All right, so hopefully that works out for you and makes sense.